Shit zone life. A lot of people. We just gonna be walking the streets of New York City, viewing different street market, stuff like that. People selling plantain. Yeah, it's different stuff. It's a busy street and mostly Latinos live around here. Can't trust no one around here. Bunch of pickpockets. You know, it's one of the busier areas. And a lot of street markets and street vendors, people selling different stuff. If you're new, if you're just tuning in, shit, this is Zone Life. Like, share, follow, do what you gotta do. And support your boy. Subscribe if you haven't and hit the notification button. They got all kinds of stuff, you know, like different food, you know, street market. Best believe it, this is America, okay? I'm just showing the other side. That's it. This is not Times Square. This is not Chinatown. This is the Bronx, New York City, okay? Sorry. Ready? We got beer can, all kinds of stuff. Yep. Like, share, follow, subscribe, what you gotta do. Yep, we're back. I had to skip the other street because music was playing. I didn't want to do music in my thing because I didn't got no copyright to it. But anyway, yeah, over here they selling toys, different toys. Oh my God, $2 for clothes. Nice.
So I really want to take the real outside and Outback, but I don't know where the fuck is an Outback.
You see, you don't know what's an Outback is. It's like it's a steakhouse. Wow. See, a lot of guys live in the ghetto. They don't know nothing about real restaurants and stuff like that. You know what I mean? That's sad. I bet most of them don't know what Olive Garden is. Yep, that's crazy, man. Appreciate you guys if you just tuning in. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Okay, check Zone Life. Let me see. Kilo 360. And let's just try this. We got diamond jewelry stores. Always busy around here too. Selling shoes. I'm exercising over there. Shoot. Okay. Almost. Let me try finding the street name so I can show you guys the street name. Because I don't want to say it and people are like, oh no, that's not where. I'm gonna show you the street name. I'm gonna show you the signs and stuff like that, okay? Ooh, look at that kid. Wow. Wow, he wow. Wow. See that kid on the bike? I can't even do that. He's wheeling. I can't even wheelie. And I can't wheelie. You gotta learn to wheelie to do that stuff, you know what I mean? Yo, appreciate you guys for commenting. Leave a positive comment, subscribe if you haven't, and stuff like that. Some areas are playing music, so I gotta get away from the music, okay? And it is what it is. You gotta squeeze it away in some type of way. That's crazy, yo. He's a trippy. Let me see. Lime. Yeah, I probably get a move on. I was talking about lime. I probably got lime. I just probably don't. There's so much noise, so much people, so much noise. You gotta watch out for people, man. Some of you guys, oh, the name, my fault. I just passed it. Now we Fordham, East Fordham on Webster. Okay, shoot. Very busy place. Okay. They got trains and buses over here on the other side. So, right, yeah. This guy's over here selling.
I got you.
Yeah, that's what it is. Sometimes we got the buses over here on my left, and then the train is down that way on my left next to the college. But then when you come over here, they got more buses. More buses over there that goes to a different area. Whoa. Yep. It's a busy place, man. It's a busy place. Okay. If you're in New York, you want to come shopping, you come around here. But it's mostly Latinos, okay? Let me show you exactly where we at. Let me do a little 360 for you guys. You got TJ's Max, you got Starbucks, Chase Bank, you got Chipotle, you got Applebee's down there, and you got more buses over here, okay? And you got Cherry Valley Marketplace. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, share, follow, subscribe, do what you gotta do, support your boy. Cheers on life.